Hello, in this video I'll be showing you the visual editor. Normally, when you want to edit a page in the CMS, it's not very visual. It's normally something like this. It's normally just a form with all of your fields in it, and you normally just edit things in the form and then preview them afterwards. Well, in Puck, what you can do now is if you go to the preview page, rather than editing from this form, you can go to the preview page and you can edit on the actual page itself, which makes things a lot more intuitive. So here, for example, if you click on title, you can change this to homepage 4 and hit update. And as you can see, it's updated it to hit homepage 4. And here you can add a new paragraph. Hello, it's a wonderful day. As you can see, we've added our new paragraph up there. And for the image gallery, it's pretty much the same. You can just click on the image gallery. Now, if I try and add, I'm pretty sure I've only got a maximum selection of 2 here. So I'm going to try and add. You cannot select more anymore. Max selection is set to 2. Okay, in that case, I'll delete 1. Now I'll add 1. So if I go to home page, images, I'll add the sky picture. And I'll update. As you can see, it's updated the image. We can go one further and we can actually edit the crop as well. So as you can see, there's a crop here that focuses on the street. We'll try and focus a bit higher up. So if we hit edit now, rather than adding an image, we'll edit the one that's already there, and it opens up the edit screen in a new window. So what we'll do is we'll go to the crops tab, and as you can see, that's the crop that's currently there. It's focused down here. We're gonna focus up here and then hit save. Make sure, yep, that's saved. And then we'll hit update again. And as you can see, that's updated. So we've updated the crop as well. So yeah, this is a visual editor and it's very easy to use, very simple to use. How you set this up though is that you need to annotate your templates so that the visual editor knows what field each HTML block belongs to. So this block, this HTML block, this H1 is actually the title field, and this div block is actually the main content field. So you need to annotate your actual HTML inside your template in order for the visual editor to pick it up. So how we do that, I'll give you an example. Here's the homepage template here, and that's this template we're looking at here, homepage. What you do is you use a preview helper, which helps you annotate. So it's in the core helpers namespace, which I'm using up here, and it's being used here. Preview helper equals new preview helper with the type of view model that you're using it for. And since this view model is a homepage, we just put homepage in there. And then you can annotate your H1, for example. This is where the H1 title goes in. As you can see, it says model.title. So since this is a title, we just do preview helper dot field and then title, and that's annotated. That will annotate the H1 field. That will annotate the H1 field with the correct field name. And the same is being done for main content. This is the main content field. As you can see, it's HTML raw model.main content, and you can use preview helper to annotate that field. So preview helper field main content, and the same is being done for the images. The images here, preview. This is the image block here where the 2 images were, and you're just using preview helper field and then image gallery. So it's very easy to annotate. And if you want more than one, sometimes you'll run into situations where there's more than one field that's being affected by a particular HTML block. So what you can do there is you can do multiple. So as you can see, it accepts params. So you can see accept params of an expression. So you can just give it multiple expressions. So we can put meta description here, and we can do meta keywords here, and we'll see an example here. Now it's got 3 of those fields: title, meta description, meta keyword. So if I open it up, it allows me to edit all 3 of those in one go. So yeah, that's been the visual editor. I hope it's been good viewing. Any questions, just get in touch. Thank you very much.